Our mission here at Feldco has always been the same: to be the Midwest's leading home renewal company by delighting our customers with the industry's best value and experience.
And for almost 50 years, Feldco's remained steadfast in that mission. In doing so, we've provided Midwestern communities a window to life's most important moments and a connection to people we hold most dear. Whether it's a wave goodbye in the morning or a warm welcome home at the end of the day, Feldco's a part of it all. It's through the everyday home products that help deliver warmth, safety, and comfort that we've established ourselves as a leader in the home improvement industry. With over 1 million windows installed, 1 million square feet of siding affixed, over 100,000 doors provided, and trusted by 500,000 homeowners, Feldco's welcomed into 50,000 homes last year alone. That's only possible due to the trust we've earned through our commitment to customer delight.
And it's what drives us, day in and day out.
Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.